Good morning, CJ crew. It is your boy Chris.
And it's Jay.
And welcome back to the Chris and Jay Way.
Y'all gotta be saying that again. But good morning to you guys.
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Yeah, it's so beautiful here.
It is.
I hope you guys watched day one or the first part of our video.
Yeah.
Where we showed the resort tour. It's so beautiful.
So amazing. So right now we're standing here looking at the beach. And we're about to head and get some breakfast.
Yes.
Then we got some more stuff planned today.
Waiting on the elevator.
Yeah, we're waiting on the elevator. Yeah, my fiance is banging.
I mean,
who you know?
Who you know? Just
Fiance.
wake up like this.
She wakes up like that. Me, I had to get up and try.
Oh my gosh.
I have to get up and try.
I love you.
I love you too. We're in the elevator right now, so we still got some light. Okay, so y'all don't forget to like,
comment, subscribe,
tell a friend, tell their grandma your boy said Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Hey, wrong floor.
Oh, oops. Yeah, I just be walking.
Just be walking. You don't even know she's going.
What floor is this?
That's 1. We're going to 7.
Oh, wait. So, oh wow.
But yeah, y'all, we're about to do that. We probably got like 20 minutes to eat, and then we gotta be going.
Our ride is picking us up at 11. So it's now 10:25.
All right, y'all.
Bye.
I wanted to show y'all this because I don't think the video really captured it.
Beautiful.
Look at this view. Y'all see that? Views from the 7, because we went to the 7th floor. The waterfall right there. Yeah. Y'all can see it's like, it looks real nice. My baby taking her selfie. Yeah, and it's just the other side. I think the drone got some of that, so, but yeah. And now we're just walking across the crosswalk.
So we are in our transport. We're heading to our first adventure here in Cabo.
Cabo San Lucas.
Yes.
All right, crew. So if y'all don't know what we're about to do, y'all see the helmets, y'all see the goggles, y'all see the bandanas. Packing the man.
So we're about to do ATV.
Everybody knows how to ride the machines? If you guys don't, this is great. This is down, this is great. Simple like that. On the right.
Yeah, we're like at the halfway point. Y'all, look at this view. This is amazing. We're like so dirty. Yeah, I don't know what it's on,
We're gonna put them clips in there, y'all don't see.
Yeah, y'all gonna see. But this junk is so much fun. I'm trying to scratch my head, but
Oh yeah, y'all get y'all water. They trying to take a picture on the rock.
oh, get you guys water.
Back now. We went ATV riding earlier.
It was fun.
Amazing.
Yes.
We got real dirty. I know y'all saw the clips from it, but
So we're about to go head downtown, get some authentic Mexican food.
gotta get some A1 tacos. I asked them about this place that got good tacos. They said it was good, so we're gonna try it out.
And they have a McDonald's here, so I actually want to try their McDonald's to see like if it tastes different. And yeah,
That's what we're about to do. On after the restaurant. So we stopped at this place right here to get some tacos. El Paisa. They say that these are the best tacos here in Cabo, so we're gonna try them out and we're gonna see what they're talking about.
I'm gonna get a beef taco, a chicken taco, and I don't know. I kind of wanted 3.
Okay, get the shrimp taco. It look good.
I don't know about a shrimp taco.
Man, that shrimp taco look good. I think I'm gonna do chicken and shrimp. I think shrimp tacos are fine.
I've never had a
Y'all don't know about no shrimp taco. Y'all stop what y'all doing. Go to your local taco shop, place, house, whatever. Get some tacos.
Ooh, yeah, that boy Jay don't play.
So we are almost back at the resort, but we made a stop at the gas station. You look hungry. Oh, they got eggs in here.
They
Look.
have like everything.
Yeah, they got everything in here. Flaming hot. Whatever this is. What is this?
I don't know. I can't read it. It's in Spanish. Obviously.
I know what these is though. White cups. The prices always get me, but I forget it's in pesos.
Yeah, how much is this chip?
37
These chips
pesos?
are, yeah, 37 pesos. So that's like maybe $2. So
$2.
$1 and some change.
Okay.
I think. Don't
think?
quote me on that.
My baby is a peso counter. She counts those pesos. If it wasn't for her,
Oh look, they have coffee.
we got coffee there. But
And what about the Mexican?
the drinks. Yeah, we turned up in the store. Yeah, we're just vlogging. Mango? Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay. So you getting that?
Yeah.
Okay. So baby got her chips and her drink. What else you want, baby?
That's it.
Okay. That's what my baby wants. She gonna get it. Baby, what you getting?
Ooh, they have Kit Kat ice cream. I've
Okay.
never seen this before.
Diana, what you got? Dang, girl.
That girl. I don't even know, man. Yeah. You got a whole thing of ice cream. What is this?
Tub.
What's that? I don't know. Some Tatiana picked up. I said, I want to get it too. Yeah, I think this is going to be good.
We are back in the room now, and we had fun in the city. We got litty.
Yeah, we
had drinks.
snacks.
Oh, yeah.
Y'all, I just had my ice cream.
Man.
Kit Kat ice cream sandwich.
It was fire.
Thingy. It was good. It was really good.
I ended up picking up, it was an ice cream sandwich mixed with a crunch bar. It was good. It was good. It was great. However, the design on it was not that best. I think it should have had a stick with it on the crunch end. Because once it melt quick. Ice cream sandwiches melt quick and the crunch melt quick. Alright. Anywho, so they lit. And we are about to go to the jacuzzi and the pool.
It's not even late though.
Yeah, it's
probably like 9:30. So we're about to head to the pool and get some more drinks. More drinks.
Hey, sounds like my type of party.
So we're gonna
Andale. Vámonos.
right now.
Vámonos to the pool.
Oh, and tomorrow too is gonna be litty. Like it's gonna be lit.
What,
So
y'all gonna see? Just
come back. Okay, tell your friends to come back and watch it too. All right, so we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.